What do you want to be when you grow up? To me, it's the wrong question to ask. The question should not be what do you want to be, but who do you want to be when you grow up? It's a tough question, and it can even be a little scary, especially if your answer is I don't know.
Well, let me tell you, you have time.
And we have a way to help. Williamsport Area High School offers programs in career and technical education.
This isn't extra work.
Instead, it replaces classes with actual hands-on experience in learning. This hands-on method of teaching will directly prepare students for their futures. This is what employers want. They want to hire people who have experience. But nowadays, getting experience is harder to do with high school and college taking up so much time. But CTE classes allow for students to get this experience during their normal high school day.
It fits right into your schedule seamlessly while offering a chance for students to get a sense of what it's like to work in the workplace.
We truly take the students to the workplace, and we do it all within our building. CTE programs add a deeper meaning to a typical high school day. Working on short and long-term projects will get you excited to go to school every morning. If you don't know who you want to be when you grow up, a CTE course is a good place to start. We offer 15 different programs. Pick one that fits for you and start getting to know yourself a little bit better. So,
Who do you want to be?